Hey guys, wanted to introduce you to the Lugnuts Village, starring my son, Matthew, his friend Ryan, and his other friend, Max. So let's talk about what this village is kind of centered around. First of all, we got to back up to the teenage brain development, okay, and the lack thereof, all right? So keeping a little village here is helping them make better choices, keeping them off the streets, giving them something to do. So let's talk about Max. We have Max's truck here today. Let's take a look at Max's idea of fixing a broken headlight looks like. If you can see, he's actually taped a flashlight on there. So let's tell the whole story. We have a truck that has a rather loud exhaust. We have a broken headlight. We have a 16-year-old that unfortunately the local sheriff department's kind of familiar with. Maybe a little bit, maybe a lot, Max, I don't know. So, we might as well paint a giant bullseye right on the windshield of this guy's truck. Hey, come pull me over, right? So, what we do here at Lugnuts is we help everybody that works here try to keep their vehicles up to date. Matthew, you want to go grab what we're going on here? So, in lieu of that, what I like to do is make sure that everybody that's a part of Lugnuts Garage has a safe and operable vehicle, if you will. And my buddy Max here, I want to keep the cops from pulling Max over, every day, if you will. And, he already does enough by, doing shitties, getting stuck in snowbanks. So what we decided to do is we bought Max a nice set of custom headlights that Max is going to work off at Lugnuts Garage. I think this is a more suitable replacement versus my buddy Max taking a flashlight. All right, so back to the underdevelopment of the teenage brain. We're going to talk about good choices, right? So last weekend, Matthew, Max, and the merry band of my village spent a good part of the weekend running around, doing what they do, going to the Mall of America, taking the truck out in the snow, eating fast food, just normal stuff. But on an average, you'd say you probably spent about $100 that weekend, right? So let's bring us back to Max rolling up to my driveway with his gas tank pretty much dragging on the ground, which is now held up by a nylon strap. That out of that $100 would have been a $10 bolt. $10. Think that was a good choice to spend $100 on gas and fast food?
No.
$10 bolt. All right, so in lieu of that, I got Max some new bolts to hold up his gas tank so it doesn't drag on the ground anymore, and I get my nylon strap back. All right, Max, so what do you think?
Awesome.
Came out nice, a little better than the old flashlight duct tape to the hood, huh?
Yeah.
A little redneck ingenuity. Looks awesome. All right, well, that's probably a good 5 hours worth of work, I'd say, at the shop. You good with that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, awesome. All right, well, let's go get something to eat.